Can one's perception of the world, shaped by their cultural upbringing, limit their understanding of others? This question at the heart of human interaction leads us to a concept known as ethnocentrism. First coined by sociologist William Graham Sumner in the early 20th century, ethnocentrism refers to the tendency of individuals or groups to judge other cultures based on the standards of their own. It's a natural human inclination stemming from our earliest experiences immersed in the customs, values, and traditions of our societies. These shape our perceptions of what is considered normal or acceptable. Yet when we encounter cultural practices divergent from our own, skepticism or disdain often ensues. Scene script. This bias towards our own culture can manifest in a belief in cultural superiority. This mindset dismisses or devalues alternative cultural practices, viewing them as primitive, backward, or inferior. It perpetuates stereotypes and misconceptions, fuels intergroup conflict, and hinders meaningful cross-cultural interactions. Yet, ethnocentrism isn't always so overt. It can also present itself in subtler forms, such as cultural imperialism and cultural appropriation. The former involves dominant cultures imposing their values, norms, and institutions onto others, leading to the erosion of indigenous cultures and societal homogenization. The latter involves adopting elements from a marginalized culture without proper understanding or respect for their significance. While often well-intentioned, cultural appropriation can reinforce harmful stereotypes and undermine the autonomy and identity of the originating culture. The implications of ethnocentrism are far-reaching. It exacerbates social inequalities, marginalizes minority groups, and impedes social cohesion and harmony. In a world that's increasingly interconnected, ethnocentrism poses significant challenges to global cooperation and mutual understanding. Yet, ethnocentrism is not an immutable trait. Education, exposure to diverse perspectives, and introspection can cultivate cultural humility and empathy. By challenging ethnocentric attitudes and embracing cultural diversity, inclusivity, mutual respect, and meaningful dialogue across cultural boundaries can be fostered. To summarize, ethnocentrism, a concept born in the early 20th century, continues to shape human interactions today. From its origins in our cultural upbringing to its manifestations in cultural superiority, cultural imperialism, and cultural appropriation, ethnocentrism poses significant challenges. Yet, through education and exposure to diversity, it is possible to overcome these challenges, fostering a world where the richness of human diversity is celebrated and cherished.